Hey there, folks. You know, they say communication is the key to a successful marriage. But let me tell you something. Listening? Now, that's the secret sauce. See, you can talk all day long, but if you're not listening, well, you might as well be speaking to the wind. You know, folks, selective hearing, it's like a universal marriage epidemic. Picture this. You're bursting with excitement, laying out your grand ideas to your beloved spouse. You're on a roll, pouring your heart and soul into every word. And what do? They nod along like bobbleheads, but you just know they're mentally redecorating the garage or planning the next grocery run. It's like talking to a brick wall, except the wall occasionally throws in an uh-huh to keep you going. So, humor me, folks. How would you feel if you were in my shoes, passionately painting the masterpiece of your ideas, only to find out later that it's more like you were scribbling on a cocktail napkin in their mind? Yeah, welcome to the club. But fear not, I'm here to help. Alrighty, folks, buckle up for a crash course in the art of listening between lovebirds. Here are 5 tried-and-true techniques to turn your ears into finely tuned antennas for your spouse's musings. 1. Give your full attention. Forget about your phone or those pesky emails for a sec. When your partner speaks, give them the full spotlight treatment. Turn off distractions, lock eyes, and show them they've got your undivided attention. It's like a respect-filled spotlight on their soliloquy. 2. Actively participate. Dive headfirst into the conversation pool. Ask questions, rehash what they just said, and throw in a dash of feedback. It's like being the co-star in the blockbuster movie of their monologue. The more you engage, the more they'll feel like the lead role. 3. Empathize. Strap on your empathy boots and walk a mile in your spouse's slippers. Understand their feelings, their struggles, their triumphs. It's like being their emotional twin, but with better listening skills. Trust me, a sprinkle of empathy goes a long way in the listening department. 4. Practice nonverbal communication. Who needs words when you've got a whole arsenal of nonverbal cues? Lock eyes, nod like a bobblehead, and lean in like you're sharing the juiciest gossip. It's like having a secret language that says, "I'm all ears, baby." 5. Reflect and validate. After they've had their say, hit them with the ultimate validation move. Reflect on what they've shared, nod in agreement, and sprinkle some verbal confetti to let them know you're on the same wavelength. It's like wrapping their words in a warm, fuzzy blanket of understanding. So there you have it, folks. Master these listening tricks, and you'll be the MVP of marital communication. Remember, a little listening goes a long way in keeping the love train chugging along smoothly. Until next time.